Hello guys, good evening, my amazing people. How are you all doing? Why is this one to share? How na dey my people? Story don war. Una dey hear the one why dey hear so. I also na dey hear the one wey me dey hear so. Aproko self-loving HIV patient. Ayati egwe. Cause honey self. Even that one who see that one go no say honey. Erere magba. She don dey go dey use her hand and leg now. They draw you sort they come for her papa with her mama. I wanna tell my amazing people, it has been a while. I wanna say please, as you are joining, share the video, okay? Wanna give this video love and like. I beg my people. Share to your friends, invite others. I also know wetin they go on. Aproko self-love. Na talk o. She say Itohan Igbinidu baby daddy. She said the boy na heavy omila o. Say the boy na omila. Say the boy na thief. Say the boy na thief. Nah. He said the boy don't go thief somebody 8 million, right? Say the boy don't go thief person 8 million. Nah. The boy don't run. They don't see the boy again. And the boy with Itohan, they don't even see day again. You understand? The boy with Itohan not day again. I was like, when I hear that story, I was like, how manage? How come? You know, because I know say since we Itohan Igbinidu take born, my they call Itohan, man remove her dad name because una they get me so. I know say since where she take born, she never show her baby daddy. We don't even know who she born for. But we know say yes, definitely not be she give herself belly. Now they get me. Which when she born, everybody see celebrate her. But the news when I come they hear about her now, the news just I don't know as I want to talk. And the news it no make sense, my people. I want to talk my own puts. The news no make sense at all because this our person, so this Itohan, so she don't take time to build her name. You know, she don't take time to build her career and all those things. Now they get me now. Now she can't go fall in the hands of whether na wrong man one call am, I don't even know. Because how you go just you will be celebrity. You be celebrity. A lot of people are looking up to you. Fine, I know say not be you create yourself or not be you plan your life. Not be you go talk wetin you want. Now wetin God want give you, now he go give you. But still, you still need to dey very careful as a young single girl, because e get word wey no good make person use year. Una dey get me? E get word wey no good make person use year. Because this Itohan, though I not too know her, but I also dey see her as one of those actresses. You know, she does still keep herself in hand. And also say she dey jump up and down on top of men, Gbola and all those things. And she dey very hardworking with her content, her movie, and whatsoever she dey do. And even the time where she dey sell best spread and all. Now they get me. She dey very hardworking. She dey active. At least easy life not too dey easy for single girl like that, especially when you dey Nigeria. Opportunity not dey too dey day. You go need to dey mind where you go, who you go dey follow waka. She go dey fear a lot of things. Make her not go bring her kpekus come out. This one, that one, This girl don't build herself. She don't build her name. She don't, she don't build her brand self. Then one boy now where you call say me you still marry my sister as you select rich. As you select rich, as you wash as you wash rich, as you look road rich, one boy now where you can see say okay, no na God that still plan life. The boy now he can't be omila. The boy now he can't be thief. The boy now he no only want destroy your name. He want you shame cover your face, like so that I don't know, because even if say people tell you say forget this one too go pass. It gets some things where go happen to person where they'll say this one too go pass, not to reason, just forget and move on. You go pass, you go do this. Some things there, you know if you move on, you know go if you move on. Because anytime you try to move on, that thing go dey you like that is I don't know as someone you they feel and say you don't do big mistake for your life. Now they get me. Because now you and the guy, your guy, so that is the boy where you born for, your baby daddy. Una no dey again. And you just born. Is that a good is that a good sign, or is that a good character, or is that a good, I don't know as I want to put on for a person where you say you be actress, you be, because a lot of people you know say if we they talk about this actress issue with my people, please guys don't forget to give the video love and like and also share. Now they get me. If we they say actress, a lot of people where they sick. A lot of people with desperation don't lead them to different ways. We say they don't frustrate. They'll feel say, they don't like actress. They don't like actress. They don't like actress. Why we not go like actress? We don't like actress with the watch on a movie. We don't like actress with the watch on our content. We don't like actress with the share on our video. We like una. Una they get me, so we like una. Sometimes if we they talk to some of you, not all, is because of all these things. Just like waiting just happen so. Una they get me. Just like waiting just happen so. Although Itohan, you try your best, not be your fault, because the guy, according to what I hear, he never married before. Not be person husband. It's just that the boy na thief. It's just that the boy na omila. If it be say not tell you, if it be say you don't know about town, if it still be say you know about town, but if it be say you know about town, say that boy na thief, say the boy na so they collect people money, na so that boy they do, and you can't go ahead to marry that boy. Now be say you yourself, you no value your career. You yourself, you don't like your career. You don't like all the sweat and everything, all the energy where your family take train you for school. You can't graduate. You can't even start career. You can't art movie. You they do content. You they do business and all those things you get. No be say you go bring this kind of shame and disgrace can't give your family for us. Not only to your family, to your fans, to Edo people. Because why? You be a Edo actress, of course. To Edo people, I don't know whether or not they get me. You understand? You go bring this kind of shame come, which is very, very bad. Person marry person husband, even better pass this one. Or person marry or he born, in with the man where he born for no days, still better pass this one. Say the baby daddy dies. Anywhere they see your baby now, they don't use that eye tell look and say, okay, now this one they say papa na thief that time. Very bad. And I don't know how you take do this kind of mistake. My sister, I will tell you the truth. I don't know how you take do this kind of mistake. Because you know if it all say you don't know what that guy they do, that your guy so. You know if it all say you don't know. You know if it all say you know they are aware. You understand? Person you be second wife, you better pass this one where you do so. It better pass on. Because how you go just make people call they mock you, come dey laugh you. Wetin dem dey call them? Maybe some of your co-actress also where they don't like you. Opportunity now for them to use you act movie or use you do content or come they, you know, that is the shame, man. It's too much. It's too much because among all of una for the industry where all of una they marry, una they start una life, una they live una life, at least nobody don't steal narrative. I don't know whether una they get me, my people. Please, guys, Mona me love and like this video and share. Nobody don't steal narrative. You get, you be babe where do things, you know, you see things, you know, be maybe small picky, maybe say no as life be, or maybe your age you small where now say you be all those 2018. No, you don't still mature, you understand? You supposed to know say this thing is not good for your personality or your kind of person. You understand? Don't be say you see fire, you go put eye. Or you go put your body, you go put yourself. Which eye you say make they take they look your pikin now? Where the whole world now don't know say the pikin papa native. I say this useless woman where they what they call her? Aproko self which only know what ho no what zoa. If better people they talk, Aproko self love only will ladia go. She go see they talk. If better people for this social media open platform say okay, they want talk, they want address issue. Aproko self-love. We are busy. That one will just see come out. She will just see open mouth. When she know say the one way their body are be my people. Guys, what's going on? Why am I not seeing comments? I bet this still don't hang. Phoebe said this so don't hang. I mean, negative Facebook. Why am I not seeing comments? Oh, my people, wanna give this video love and like, okay? Una they get me so. Thanks for joining, my lady. Thanks for joining. Good evening. Una they get me. See person like Aproko self-love. Only know hoa. Only know why mugiagbe. That one now they come out, they talk. I ever see her the other day, she and Shine, you see get problem. Because of Aproko self-love, Shine now does they talk to Europe people. I see video where Shine do where they talk say majority of women for Europe. Majority of women for Europe. I don't know as if they talk. Because I just look and say, since now she and the self-love, no why be self-love. May you the be self-love na very useless woman. We don't even know her for those cyberspace. Now robo space, now she dey. Now she belongs to, she not belongs to our those cyberspace. Una they get me. So I see video where Shine they do because of Aproko self-love, the trauma they give people for Europe. I don't know what it concern Aproko self-love, concern what it Shine talk for two-face matter. Two-face matter come. Everybody get right to put their opinion. Aproko self-love no one get gbe we get HIV. Mona ask her why she know they wear they see no be say everyday long sleeve, no wear singlet. Me Aproko self-love wear polo mona see HIV rashes with their body. I will come and post it, my people. I felt they busy. Everything what they do, I don't round up finally. So I have time now to they enjoy myself with una, my people. I have time now to they enjoy myself. Aproko self-love. She gets HIV. She get her for body. Head to toe. Na rashes. Na cover. Head to toe. Na rashes. Cro. Black cro. Go reach her hand. Aproko self-love go they do video. She go they scratch body. They scratch nyash. They scratch face. They scratch everything. Thanks for joining, Becky, my darling. How you dey? Thanks for joining, my love. Thank you. I see you for Germany. I also you bring my oko. Well, you try, though. Now God will bless you. Mama, sit down on top. That's my mommy Yo-Yo. Thanks for joining. My lady, thanks for joining. Aproko self-love. Wow, if you not see Mama Aproko self-love, my people, they don't pack a history come for me. Aproko self-love, a legit history. They don't bring her come for me. She was a human trafficker. Aproko self-love. She was a human trafficker. No be even that one where Shine they talk say Aproko self-love can't use Akpeku say do ashawo. Aproko self-love use Akpekus do ashawo. You know even reach. She still bring girls come. 3 girls where she bring come. Their pictures there with me, which I will post. Una no me now. I will post all of them. Go reach her mama if una see her mama. Here salo boy. Aproko self-love get HIV. Make she wear polo. Aproko self, if you say I dey lie, prove me wrong. If na me be you, I know say you dey watch me even before I enter live video. As you see your name, then now you dey fair on entire. Do video, wear singlet. Make you post am. I'll dash you 100,000. Man, I know you say 1 million. The one I will fit quick do transfer. I'll dash you 100,000. Aproko self-love. Wear singlet. Make you do video this evening. Wear singlet. I want to check something. Ubeg ave ron dani no do egbe na ave HIV nínú mu nínú tolo ni wey dey scratch you up and down so we make you dey mad as the thing dey scratch you for body na so dey scratch you inside throat where you on your platform you dey craze up and down. Since where you dey craze for social media, everybody dey inside house, the rest. Everybody dey inside house, they relax, they chill, they enjoy. Aproko self-love abona la wegbe when na azo yo I dey look you. You dey go dey drag a do actress. Unwe do actress talk boy. You are a useless woman. I know say if a person do wrong, you talk to her just the same way I talk to this our sister just now Itohan, because I never see her in anything bad. I know they see say she dey do saga. I never see say she dey sub presenter before. So I never see anything bad for her body. Talk less or say I will come say I won't happen. I will come dey beat her, but I just need to tell her the bitter truth that she don't build her name for me like me now. Where be say maybe before I first just get one eye where I take the look up before like one big eye, you know. I just see the look and say okay, this one I just see baby they try, but I don't feel looking like because where I fuck up already day. You understand? And a lot of people also that thing will make her lose a lot of fan base. You understand? Because imagine when you be picking where we say a lot of people they look up to, even if you will get a lot of mommy them where go they look up to you, where go they like you know. Where they go, you'll be like, I want to put on. You will be everybody they look up to. So, okay, we at least people they support you, that they you know that they fight with you to bring out the best in you. You understand? At the end, that you're gonna be this kind of thing. You will be second wife, you better pass than to go marry man where be thief, where be omila man will not get work. Eh? I bet make she leave our iyo momo. No, live self-love. Self-love. Or my only my be HIV be. Self-love. When no my be HIV be. We are do a go e bezuzu one of Milan. We are igual we live video ku we kek pe no ve o. Bezuzu of Milan awa boom we wa self-love. Ekwe mu we. If no be shame we self-love no get. I woman agbe wa lele. Then Itohan why we say na we be say self-love don't even reach to born pikin like Itohan. Na Itohan na self-love take the feed. Itohan ogi zero self-love in my view. Itohan ogi zero mi bae. Itohan ogi zero yere wage a self-love. Yo salo buame gume degeke. Ne self-love ike vie gesi la wona. A self-love is surobo my people. Our real name is our surname is Odiase. Okay? Our surname is Odiase. Yeah, kwa gbele kwa. Our surname era no Diase no hoa. No mami eke no dia. Iya mo Diase nera era no undan. Undan era ni gahi. Era was a uhuno kirono jilawa. Era self-love gahi. Since 2013, a self-love came via guess like webo my people. 2013, a guess in ogi lare o ibiri. O ibiri a guest in the self-love hilary. My people. Arabie ya yezele. He say, na Yahoo boy she born for. No wonder she dey go. Yes, so na yo. My lady, na yo. Una they get me, na make the thing they do me somehow for body because she don't deserve all this life. You understand? She don't deserve all this life. Why Yahoo boys Yahoo? Those say that they get money, fine, but those ones, that money where they get, so they take relationship serious. Even picky where they born for themselves na jara. I say brand, I say you be actress, you don't build yourself. Forget about the money. Look for one small man, one man, even though the man not to get, you build with him. If now this content, bring the man to content. Una also for your name, you don't already build them. Anything now you can use your name to sell anything. You can use your name to sell any video, any content, you use your name. You are the man also for the manage for there. You know say this man na your own. Yahoo boys see now. See what they can do now. Una not even day. You your newborn. All the software where you pass through for labor, everything. As if that was not enough now. The boy go gbese finish now. They can't go they arrest your own mama for store. Itohan. That kind of thing not be disgrace. If to say you will be presenter, some of una not be you. Not be say me and you the quarrel. That is why I say they talk to you like this. You get. Because I never see you say you do anything to insult maybe presenter or talk down or people or those. If not, as I they talk this is so I feel even they swear for you, sir, because this one a big shame now. You they get me. Now they go meet your man for store, drag her, they follow her. Those women say who even see carry camera go meet your man for store. They no even still try. Although shall not say 8 million, not be small money. Any other person see now you go take dry money because me now say this so they not born anybody where they owe me 100,000. Talk less of 1 million. You owe me 1 million. Full money for one full investment. Who what die? Who yeah? You know if he sleep where me away. Why that thing just come up for Benin? Guess like that's all we see am. That's all we see am. Una they get me so my people. The thing they so embarrassing. Now she go marry boy where be say they do people money. The boy now go do not be even marry. She born with person where be say the boy na omila. Now they get me. The boy na omila. Now they can go meet our own mama for store. Begin the video her mama. They disgrace her mama. They drag her up and down. You understand? It don't make sense now. It don't make sense. You will be say you be actress. If to say na presenter work you even do say you be presenter. Now make they go fight your mama, drag your mama. We go even the year. That one now do what we beg for. You say la no gbe why gui was obo why gbe wa you see you go see beg for. But this one you go do bola. You will be babe will be say I believe say not be that boy this virgin. You don't first see guys. You don't first follow men. If you don't even there's a time where your name first come and say they date married man. It was say not even that married man you marry for even see good. If you see good, it better pass this one, where you come by and they go they drag your mama for store. Your mama they tell something for this much they video up and down. Who be that night do actress? It makes sense. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Nah. See this one. See the person where you see they talking. A self-love, you know wow, I get human trafficker. HIV budget. Only now, now they say self-love for live video. They post video. She they roll it scatter. Many of una things say self-love. Now this one. Now HIV medicine they find money where you want to take care. HIV medicine. I don't even get chance now. God, I thank you. I thank you. I don't get chance. Even if say maybe not be 5 times a day, but at least I'll feel the update to my people. Self-love get HIV. Make she go quote me anyway. Make she wear, if she say me dey lie, na self-love. You wear singlet this night, this evening. Wear singlet, they do video. All those your sweater, to make a big name, no easy. You know easy. One thing not to find fame, the other one not to keep am. One thing not to find fame, the other one not to keep am. Guys, please love and like, okay? Wanna give the video love and like. All those my fellow people where be say they don't want use that till they see who they you for social media. They don't see what I come. Wanna me they love and like. Una they get me so my people. Self-love, yours get HIV and she's a human trafficker. I'm going to post the guests where she bring on. Not concern me whether they pay and finish or they not pay and finish before Bass will put here post away guests in it. All her life where she don't live since where she take attack by I go post all of the self-love is a useless, a greedy, wicked robo woman. Go reach the mark where they give her for Pashawo. I go post her. Sharon was not right. Sharon was not wrong where she talk say self-love. Now Sharon say it not be like self-love where you can't shade for streets. Now truth Sharon talk for the self-love. Now Sharon kobo. A area or wahi and not only as she carry guests con. Self-love was a human trafficker 2013. Self-love, if you say I dey lie, you better come debunk her. Either you can't debunk her or you accept your fate. You know me now. You know me. That time when I tell you, say I never get your time. Say if I don't get your time, I will come and answer you. I don't finally finish what I do. So if you come out now, make me and you. You understand? Come at me and you talk. As I dey talk and you dey debunk for that side. And if you lie, you go see the evidence. I'll just scatter your head. Self-love, my people. Omila way pass self-love, you know they. Omila way pass you know they. Now 3 guests, now she carry con this Europe, 3 guests. All of them slim. No one fat. 3 guests, now she carry con. Self-love where they use maths, they condemn people. This is una need to see the marriage where she do. Self-love marriage, Mona know what I go show you everything. Marriage, it be like Soton. Self-love marriage, it be like Soton. Una know why I don't like that self-love. She be Urobo, fine. Many of us will be friends with Urobo. We get Urobo as friends, and then if she want to, she can say, others Bini people. Others Bini people. Go see your ma as your ma. Go see your ma as your ma be. Before she cry. You use hungry beat your man, not be smarting. Self-love. Even when you go Nigeria that time, what till you go do for Nigeria? Everything dey my hand. As you tell use juju, tie your useless husband. That one where you dey carry go prison. Every day by day. Updates don't land from a reliable source. From a reliable source. The one where you carry for head, you leave her. You say, nah, Bini actress, so now you want to see. Bezuzu. Only you. Only you. The other day, come out. This girl where just use juju for 2 face. This Bini girl where just use juju for 2 face. This Bini girl where just use self-love. Why can't you just leave Edo people alone and mind your business? You say you be robo. And that self-love, then she be resist, my people. She be resist. She don't like Edo people. She don't like Bini people. And she know they do video. Make she speak our robo dear. No. She go leave our robo. She go begin this. She go they speak Bini. Now that one they pay me pass. This is our person, Saga No Good. Say, good evening, thanks for joining my person. He said, our late Sharon, the same thing. She born for who we don't know. I don't really know what is wrong with all these Edo celebrities. You know, say, majority of them, they know they take advice. You understand? Majority of them know they take advice. majority of them, they feel say, you know, they don't arrive, they get the money or the fame. Who be you to call they control them or advise them or talk to them? Majority of them know they take advice. Majority of them know they, you know, they live one kind like say. It can't even be like say the things where they talk about Edo people abi Benin Edo people. Now these celebrities then, some of them, not all. Now they display the thing to the world to make them confirm, say yes. Now truth. Now what did they talk about Edo people? Now in our truth. They really talk and say Edo people now so they be our truth. You understand? This girl now she don't suffer, she don't, you know. She don't fight so hard to build her name and career. Okay, how the career want to grow. Now where they go carry your man. The video is all over the places. Even the video they my phone. Just that I don't want to play it. I know say me I not sabi promote person shame my disgrace. If not, I for play and me una year. Or should I play it? Una want to make I play and this useless what did they call her? Okpotoshi. No go zuozo. Make I go see. If I feel play some part of the video, let me go and check. It's very wrong, eh? It is very, very wrong. You don't build your name, you don't build your name. Don't be say you can't go they follow man way be say. If you want you be second wife, not go they do something say because of what people want to talk. At the end, you go end up for big regrets. You understand? Even though you say, okay, what people want to talk, you know, feel be second wife because of what people want to talk. Okay, this one where you can't be, where you can't go born for thief. No, that one can't be. Now can't be say waiting. Person even married, person even become second wife, even better pass this kind of name. This name where you carry so thief name, everlasting name. Yeah? Why you go do that kind of thing? You know make sense now. You be actress, you not be like other this thing. You not be like maybe not maybe you be normal person or you not get career where they build or you not be actress or whatever. See, you see that the time mama say make quick gun where wa boom where wa gun well. Mona listen. This one when they go meet not the year. Not the year. They go use the CID to arrest our mama. Thanks for joining Osas. I'll they play am on our listen you now hear where. They go use the CID to arrest Itohan Igbinidu mama for store where she for the sale. Now they tell her say, they tell the woman say, quick, may you give your children food. Now stay CID now you see so. Why they go arrest the mama, my people? Because they say make the mama provide Itohan. Okay? They say make the mama provide Itohan. Then if they arrest Itohan, Itohan will also provide the omila of a boy. I forever put that boy picture for you. Make I wait at the come. Make I put the boy picture for you. Let me add it. Mona they see the boy. The omila so. Mona look his face where. Since in one popular now, mommy me ya popular, you go job jero. Only God know how many people you don't steal from. Eh? What jare? Amami ya boy there. You want thief, you don't go thief for outside. You go thief the one where they will take go arrest your baby mama. They will do you. Eh? Nigga na will you wow 247. Person money now they always they die for na see your life now ga here load. You go hide. Why you call go hide? You never see get money. You don't pay 8 million gbese. Because of 8 million you go hide. Ga we wa when are you when you here? Oh boy Vimbi, they will break your mates go work, you go they sleep. Would you winner? I just came in. You are welcome. Please guys, as you are joining, give the video love and like and also share. Make I put the guy where go steal person 8 million for year. I beg anybody wey know am, because this boy now don't come put our Benin sister for problem. Please. Now the boy be this, my people. Okay? Now the boy be this. The old boy even be of a guy, now he be this. So make I play the one where they go take Bolo Mama Itohan for store. Let me. They come. Guys, I dey come. I want on make I on my speaker so that now fit dey hear the conversation where between the woman wey come arrest Itohan mama with Gunwa wa bun we wa Aproko self love you no wo we no ho ama we are busy with my Bluetooth. Another here. Even this speaker is still low. Shall just that the video low. Okay, may I play a game on the year? For those of you now wey just they join, we don't know what they happen. Yeah, this girl now Itohan they call her. Okay, she be a do actress, a content creator, also a businesswoman, right? Now she was a single lady. She finally meets one guy, which is this old boy even be of a guy where sit down hold just so. He's a Yahoo boy by profession. I've been a professional, I've been waiting to call her. Now, this girl was dating this guy. This guy give this girl belle finish. This girl come born. Meanwhile, before the girl put to bed, he and this boy not dey again. And this boy now, people don't give am money, 8 million, to take get them apartment for Lagos. Yeah, this boy based for Lagos, they stay Lagos. So some Benin people wey know the guy, you understand? So some Benin people wey know the guy, all those area people, you know, they can't give this guy money based on na a benzuzu guy, based on they trust the guy. So okay, you know, fee wrong, they give this guy 8 million to take get them apartment for Lagos. This boy now collect money finish. Apartment, he no gree give who need apartment. If they call him, he no dey pick up. If they call him, he no dey carry phone, he no dey pick up. So now the people wey give am that money, so that 8 million based on the thing don't say no be today happen. Maybe na last year, according to the long month wey bring the video, the matter come out for Facebook. Now they can say, okay, since they don't see the guy, they need to go for the baby mama. Now they get me. So those people now, they come online to drag Itohan. Not only Itohan, they go use state CID arrest Itohan mama for store. They go use state CID police, they arrest Itohan mama for store. They can say make the mama provide Itohan also, because Itohan, I don't know, maybe they don't know her house or they don't know where she did. So they arrest her mama Now they get me. Now be that conversation. One of the serious now video. And maybe later after this video, I'll post it. Smoke and watch the video where they for they drag Itohan mama, which is very bad for actress. Which is very, very bad for actress. You understand? Now, not be saying na the Itohan hope say now. Na make they go a mama o. Not be say maybe na brothers or na sisters do something now where they take go ho a mama o. Now they get me. She way you also be actress or she way get name to build or name to keep. Where she way they tell her junior one say not do like this so man not do anything we go spoil my name o. Now she can't just bring this kind thing con the family. And I know say wetin don't enter social media my people e know they comot. Once a thief is always a thief. A baby mama to a thief is a thief. Yes, now so they go talk and now so they go reason. A baby mama to a thief is also a thief. And mind you, now know the way some of our people say they do something. Anywhere they see the pikin, they will say, this will not be that thief pikin. No, those are not be me talking. Oh. Now waiting people go they talk. Now they let una they know so, which is very, very bad. This boy nah. And when they come, when the whole matter don't cast, when these people they call it and they request for their money or how they go fit reach this guy, it one they make them understand say she and the guy no day again. Una they get me. She and the guy no day again. A baby, I don't know. A baby never even reach how many months. She and the papa no day again. What is the need of even when una fair even born safe? Eh? When una fair even just born safe? Since when this girl even get belle con born, she no show that guy. Now I know the reason why she no show the guy. Because it won't know what the guy they do. He know say the guy they thief people money. He know say the guy job not clean. That is why they hide the guy. Because me, if I dey date guy, say I know say yes, this guy they date some. Before woman will carry belle born for man, she don't already know say yes, she go marry the man. You supposed to at least you be celebrity. You give the guy your audience. Make people follow her, follow the guy. Make everybody know the guy. Anywhere you go, Itohan guy. But she not show the guy. That is why some of these celebrities, you get the reason why many people they ask una say, where una husband? Make we see her. Where una husband? Because the way it can they go, not all, oh, not all, majority of them, if the husband, if the man not be person wife, I been a person husband, if the man not be person husband, since we they hear husband snatcher where for among inside, but now this one I be the number one thief record now where we don't get among all of them say, okay, one finally born for thief. Una they get me. Please guys, help me to share, love and like and share this video, okay? Now we they get and say one born for thief or Mila or Gino thief here. Itohan, why you do this kind of thing? Why? That is why this one say they are more waiting make me like Precious. So this one they are more waiting make me like Precious. Precious no they pretend they swallow needle. Precious that one no they pretend. That is why everybody tell say she not good, she be bad person, she not because why? Precious nothing because of you swallow needle. If you not good for her body, she go pull everything. God is apparent, he go pull her taste on you. She not do. We all of us don't say for this media. Because I wish this is to one. Normal, you feel date your boy. But when he reach to born, you excuse yourself. You excuse yourself. Which money the guy won't come give you now where you not get? The last time I checked, you did rented apartments. Where you can easily do for yourself. Where your career can easily do for you. You did rented apartments. Yeah? Why will you bring this kind of a shame to your family? And now you just be, you know, you say they get doings, you know, they drive car, you they do things, you they travel. At least you civilized. Is it because of the money? You be businesswoman, you they do business. Why you go just go for this kind of thing? Now, may I play the video, my people, where they drag our mama for store. You understand? Where they drag our mama.
Why would they do like this for that Nigeria? Somebody go just give una money, small pig.
Gunwe, HIV, so long sleeve, now you the wear. I don't tell you. Go wear singlet.
No battery, please charge.
Una dey here. The boy, so they say na like, neither they call na they thought DK, my penny, ojobo jebo, you go. You dey give yourself where do you. Men atana no ya kan we lo ba ide to go ya lo me una no ite aboki no we get ma ba we ti pe won de gbe. My people, una dey here. According to this voice note, this video, so we dey play so. Una go here for the background, say the boy, all his classmates, he dupe all of them 22M. The boy, so he dupe all his classmates 22 million naira. Plus this one where he collect 8 million from so. He collects 22 million from all his classmates. Now they get me. What is she going to do right now? I don't really know. I don't know how she will take care of this, how she go clean this mess. Or if maybe she go pay up the bills because she already put herself. And this boy don't come out on social media. And a lot of people now don't know, say the boy not thief. Every single person where this boy don't collect their money from, all of them now go start to they hunt this boy. They go start to they find out. And as they drag this boy, they go still they drag this our actress joiner. Why you go put yourself for this kind problem? For this kind wahala? Eh? Boy, where you know say you know they work. Me, if to say I be actress, at least they see banker. They see I don't know, politician self dead there. Where they be actress work, not be to marry politician. Give them audience to they do campaign. We don't know how many actresses of that Nigeria where marry politician. Politician, they always they like actress. Nine they friend, nine they see they marry, nine they born for. Why? Because actress they get audience where politician go need, where they go use. You now go your they solve they go. If campaign reach you, who join a Regina. You use your platform to vote for your husband. You not better pass all this in your work, eh? Eh? You not better pass this in your work. You marry a politician now. If December come like this, you carry one trailer of if na biso, if na rice. You go the share for village, from one village to another. We'll see no say yes. This actress have make us proud. All the years now where we take watch your movie, where we take do everything now. In my highway don't nigo. Now ya also and a boyfriend you are. Because if I talk now, say we are looking up minus me, because I feel they look up to. I never get any actress if I they look up to anymore, because you understand. People, junior ones, younger ones are coming. They are looking up to you guys. What you know they offer? What you good advice you know they give? Which good example now they set? Person know you're married, you don't want marry or you not marry. Just stay. Stay single. Stay single. No marry. Eh? No marry. Than for you to marry and end up like person wey be say marriage not be calling. Small thing now una go say not everybody go marry. Not everybody go marry. Not be say even if say you no go marry, you fair just your name where you say you get. You fair grant down for grant first. Rough fine anyhow. Now they go arrest your own mama now. Drag her follow ground. I just feel pity for the innocent mother of this young girl. You understand? Itohan no right from time say that guy na G guy. Itohan no be only you start to do things with G guy. No matter what they be, now you dey so. Where is the so savvy na Gina? Where is the so savvy? If you be say this guy now don't go Ghana go cheat. You now you be public figure. Your man market, your man shade, they don't put on for Facebook. Other people where they find this guy now, they find an address, even from Lagos to Benin, they don't they road here those yosa. You know fully well say this guy job no clean. That is why you were hiding the guy. Even when you born, people were like, show us your husband. All of una just they hide husband as he say, wanna see they show us. Be proud of the man where you born for. You know show us. Now I know the reason why. Thanks for joining Mama Queen Rita Yemiomo TV. Thanks for joining Mama. The girl, not be say something I put on like that, my lady. The girl, you know say she don't born my lady. The man where she born for, now be this boy. Now like that they call him. This boy na thief. Now Omila, na Yahoo boy, now this boy be. Now people where this boy defraud, where this boy dupe their money, now then go arrest Ebezuzu mama, which is Itohan. Now they go arrest Itohan mama for where she for the sell for Benin. Say make the Itohan mama provide Itohan. Then they go arrest Itohan also. Make Itohan provide this a guy because the guy don't run. Somebody, this boy, they say he offer dupe a lot of his classmates money based on their Lagos. Maybe go say, na Benin boys, maybe go one pack other junior Benin boys join body. May they teach them how to press, how to they do what himself they do. Those people now don't give them money. So now they say go charge them 2 million. People where they say pay them 2 million for their class, they pass 50. Which is the school where the boy go. The school where he go. People where he pay. Based on, I not say school now, that they get group. Even some people get a school group where all of them go the day. Where we say, people where don't go Imagoro. People where don't go Epa Eddie. People where don't go this one. Different school group they like. Even some of them don't marry the but they'll see their group. So this particular boy school group, schoolmates them. This boy don't dupe the entire. He can't go marry Ebezu. He don't even marry. He can't give Ebezuzu belle. Now the boy person where they polo and the one where they hold 8 million naira. The boy don't run because he don't already shop the money. Don't use money do dorime. Client never pick. About they talk as I never pay. The guy now don't run. Leave Ebezuzu for the problem. Ebezuzu not be she the manager page. I know so now they say that they write up, they post, they do this. Not be she. Okay? Now somebody else they manage her accounts. Because she need to come and clear this mess. And she can't clear her because all this one and young weird. I just want to share my disgrace news. Nah. People will give the boy 8 million. Now can't go arrest Itohan mama for store. We over of they sell for small kiosk they manage. They begin to drag the woman up and down like a pass my neighbor generator. Can I go stay CID to provide this boy? So me they provide this boy. And a lot more people are still coming. Itohan no fit talk say no know wetin this guy dey do. She know. That was why she never posted this guy. Even when they go for vacation, he only they show the boy hand. If you be saying that money, they take go vacation. They show only the boy hand. You know, they show flights. They pepper other single guests. Now this thief you take the pepper people so. Now this thief you take the pepper people that time. Now just carry shit. Now paint shit. Cheats go turn to gold. Eh? You even they follow my way war way not to get, but at least no be thief. He better pass this one on my sister. I no go lie you. He better pass this one. Thief not be waiting person they pray make it. Thief even get it. National thief. Police na everything don't involve. And you don't go bomb put. You know even say may you chop clean your mouth, may you run. You know even you see go there say okay, may you collect your small may you move. You will be actress. As you find rich, my sister. I know say you go see tell me say ask me for rich. Why me not marry the politician? We be two different people. Me na presenter cannot marry politician because nobody go vote for her. That's the difference between me and you. The fan base where me get now the one where they take they go war. Once war you're there now, you leave the floor for us. We go come. Now war where they go. Say for politics to say come and vote for me, come and vote for me. Me, presenter not they marry politician. Na actress. Now they marry politician. Bankers they there. Lawyers they there. Even soldiers they there. Police they there. At least civil servant, people where they serve the country. Now you supposed, or not be only you, now una supposed to they marry. Now una supposed to they marry. Not be all these Yahoo boys with no laptop. Yeah? Not be all these Yahoo boys with no laptop. How do you want your mom to feel? How you say make your junior ones feel? How you say make your environment? This one a shame now. My sister, I know life for you. A shame me now. I know hate you, my sister. I know hate you, but I'm telling you the truth. Self-love we get HIV now. Go see the way that one they ring bell now they below now for that side. Even video where Shine take talk to Europe women. I saw that video. After self-love, the HIV symptoms, go find Shine trouble. I see video where Shine do say majority of women where they abroad. Say now waiting make their con shade bekus for show glass they do a shewo. Now make her also go born for married man. Una they get me. When I see that video, if na another person do that video, maybe I for tell the person, you say majority of people for abroad. I for tell I say, those people so when you talk say majority of the way can't do ashawo so. If not be those people, many of una for that beneath for not they see clothes they wear. Many of una for not they see food served they chop. Many of una for not even they wear una day to day. But I just look and say, after all, Shine not they carry bag, they come Europe, come they carry money. Shine not they sing music. You talk like say one quite entertain us. The movie where she act na Igbinidu dey end. Even when she dey do movie premiere, be na wetin they do na Igbinidu there. Me I no fit buy ticket for here na say they go Shine. Wetin I want go support Shine. No. Many of us for Europe we not go fit go. No. So if she dey insult people where they Europe, you no go pay me. But you see the one where people where they Europe, women where they suffer for their money for Europe. You see the one where we say go sit down one place, you go insult they finish. Later you go dress, wear cocoa shoe, carry back on this Europe, come collect money from those same women. Now those ones, now they bite for forehead. Now those ones, now they drag. Because you know if it dey your Benin there, they insult people for abroad. At the end, you see carry empty luggage, come Europe. Come pack clothes, pack money, pack everything. You go as finish tomorrow, you go say people, because they get waiting many of una no know. wetin Europe people they pass through, where they say most of our sisters for that Nigeria, instead of them to even still sit down understand our situation, they go they use and say they mock us. Una know say na Nigeria, our Nigeria sisters self, na im mock our Edo sisters, na im mock us pass even other tribe for this world. Do you guys know that? Our own Edo sisters, na dem mock us pass. The one wey go say we will dey Europe, we not sabi dress. Person wey be say if you want buy cloth wear now, if you get 30,000, or if you, let me just say, okay, let me do and based on this, the way it is now. If you get 200,000, you go hamburger, or let me say go the best boutique for Airport Road. Anywhere where you know say na best boutique, you go buy some clothes of at least 200,000. 200,000 shop if you give her like 2 jeans, 2 better polo, let's assume, and be with 1 shoe and 1 bag. You go carry and take dress. But we where we dey Europe, if we hold that 200,000, we won't use and take buy that same cloth where she use and buy. We know they get on like that. That 200,000 so, person where you want send go that market. Even though na your sister, even though na your neighbor, even though na your ego, first collect extra 200,000 first for inside the same money. He go first collect 200,000 first. Then where they for the wrapper, where they for the wrap load, they will say, okay, go give so person for here, make they wrap the load. You will see use like 6 or 10,000 take wrap load for 2 jeans or 2 jeans, 2 polo with 1 shoe. No, na the list you will say make they wrap am for you. Now, if they come, say maybe the shoe na marker. For people who don't understand what it be marker, marker means quality, like they see original Nike, original Adidas. If na original, and you they carry and come from Nigeria, if they see am for airport for here, they go throw away. If you like buy the shoe 100,000. Once they see you see am for airport here, they go throw away am. Because I want to explain to those where they talk say people for Europe. Now so they know they wear. I want to tell you the reason why many of us know they buy clothes for Nigeria. They come here, come they wear. Okay? Now, maybe they go throw away the shoe, or if you get luck, the shoe go enter. You now don't use your 200,000 now buy your shopping, enter inside your house. So if you to spend money 1,500 naira to Ring Road, 500 naira to house. Abi? Okay, the same thing where you go use 200,000 take buy. So now me want see buy but me now don't spend 400,000, but who go buy am and the cloth where they buy. The one where they take wrapper 10,000. Okay, maybe they call carry and reach here. I'll constantly go claim her sometimes 250,000 or 300,000. Yes, now so it be not now so it be. You can go and confirm it. Me can't go claim her 350,000, 250,000. If you total everything together, we should be talking about 6 to 700, or yes, 6 to 7 something. Now me go end up spending for the same clothes where you go buy with 200,000. You dey understand? So imagine person where go feel okay, make I buy 3 times or make I buy 4 times. You just get 600,000. You don't already go buy what you want buy. You don't pack and tax. If me want do that shopping of 3 times, I go spend like 2M. I never even spent for the same exactly thing where you go buy. Una they get me so. Is it na house? Okay, may we talk about the house rent for Europe. Money where person they pay for house for a year. If you calculate time for 1 year, it go reach you if you take build house for Nigeria. No be joke. It go reach you take build house for Nigeria. So if I dey see most of these people for Nigeria or for Benin there, they talk say una wey dey Europe, una no even sabi dress sef. All those dress, no be say we no like am. E no get no like better thing. No be say we no even like am. Something where you go buy exactly the store. Bring out the store where you for the buy something. The best store where you for the do shopping. Post am. Make you say Europe people now yeah they buy something. Una no dey fit buy cloth. Una no dey fit buy anything. Shame on una. May you see say that shop. If Europe people talk say make they shut down that shop. You know, every 2 days they'll buy everything where they inside. Even one person or 2 people go buy everything where they inside, and they will pay cash. You'll see some men for this European, the way they take the dress, this man, he had the dress like this, no level, the man, they not get anything, not looking like that. Not even looking like that. Before we come even see buy that cloth, parents, pay light bill, pay gas bill, family see their house. So some of our widow sisters we see also their house. We will see so okay, more support in 1 or 2 way. Parents feed there. Do you think it's easy? Europe no easy. Europe no easy. Not where we they talk every day. You know, I wish now we where we dey here. So now our own business now they all lost. Nobody for the talk say Europe no easy. Nobody for the talk say Europe no easy. But if you look waiting your people for Africa, especially that Benin, if you look waiting that they make you they pass through. Like one thing I can't notice my people. I just want to add this particular part, guys, because of people where they talk down, they look down on Europe people. I not blame you now. Me. I not blame you now. He said, God, please bless Benin land for so me, I know they told they blame people where they look down on people where they Europe. I know they told they blame you now. Because waiting una they expect. Person go buy land, person go gather money, you buy land. You dey Europe, you buy land for Nigeria. When you want buy that land, that is not legit. Nobody go near and nobody go touch on. You go pay millions, sometimes 1.2, sometimes 4 million, sometimes 7 million. You pay for land. All your own be say, I don't get land though. You understand? You dey work, put small. Before you know, somebody from nowhere go just come say, this land, they don't want to see you for year again. No. That land, that paper where they take sell land for you. Now from the old Shema. Now new Shema come dey now. You still need to come and buy that same land again. At that time, that place don't develop. Money where they will come give you now. You go come chance and say, Bamoto, when you are more here, you see, these things they happen to a lot of us for Europe. You go see someone say, other way but mighty boy. Iya they are brother many years, he not build us. You just say the person not they make attempts to build us. Once they seize your property once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, you go totally dead discouraged. You don't want to do again. The way those are our Benin people, once you there abroad, Nigeria, some Benin people, some Edo State people, they develop one hatred for where we there abroad. I don't know whether any of you they notice them. They develop one hatred for we there abroad. Not only if this one not even be only your family member self. Store where you for the buy something. Everything where they go they think now how to collect from you. How to collect from you. Everybody want to tap from you. Everybody want from you. And if you don't give them, they'll say you be bad person. If you don't do for them, they'll say you be bad person. Now they get me. Everybody need from you. Even Tazi, even though you go Nigeria, say you enter Tazi, say Tazi carry me from Sapler Road to Ring Road, where they say normal price even before you come up for us. Everybody already tell you say this road that they run at 2,000 or 3,000. Once maybe you make or you speak your Italo or you speak any language where they speak for you, or maybe the driver said just smell and say this one at Jado. That 2,000 where they collect before from other people, the team no go let them collect from you again. He go tell you say, this place and 8,000 naira. and you now you come for abroad, you not go even fit dey to calculate. You not go too dey used to naira like that again, because you say 8,000 naira, you just look at how much for euro, you know even reach 5 euro, you know go reason. But it is not, it's not supposed to be like that. The problem wey majority of us get for this Europe now, those some of una wey dey that Benin so and that Edo State, now some of una be the problem where we get for this Europe. Some of you not be all. This Europe where we dey so, if you dey go anywhere, ticket, bus money, Puma money, na Puma money. If you like, wear gold from your head to your leg. If ticket na 150 euro, na that 150, that is 1 euro 50 cents. Na that 1 euro 50 cents, now you go take buy tickets. If restaurant, if food na 10 euro, if you like dress heaven and earth, now that 10 euro they go collect it. They'll tell you this food is 10 euro. You go see it for paper. Now you go pay. But Nigeria, Edo State, is it like that? No. It's not there like that. Only the saints will go come out for your body, their eye don't dey. Their eye don't dey. I don't know what body. They won't dry you. They won't drill you finish. At the end, now they go still come talk say, people where they Europe, all of them not meet up. As now see they so, they not make them. Me before when me dey Nigeria, the time when me dey Nigeria before me come Europe. Let me use myself as an example. For my full house, now me everybody they give money. For my full house, now me everybody they give money. Both mama, both my brothers, both my sisters, apart from the ones when me senior, yeah. Now me they give money. You they get, but now, yeah, but now, I want to see, you know, when me take on this abroad, so. Now they get me. If me even call my brother and I say, brother, my brother go say, I mean, are you supposed to they give us? You understand? Because why they always they follow that they talk like that? Because sometimes I'll call them and say, even my sister will see call me, or tell me, you understand? But I'll say these people, when I did Nigeria, they give me, and though my family know they demand from me, they're not there, they don't they demand because they know me. Me I'm a story you talk. Me I go talk. If I ever they narrate stories, and they go, you say, call my days you don't me I want my story for. Because why? I know people, a lot of people where these things they happen to. I don't get one girlfriend where we say our own senior brother. Now I finish her. Our own senior brother. So that is why majority of una for that Benin. So when they say even in Europe, make una as in the mind wanna get towards Europe people, God they look now, because the way una they hate people for Europe, like I know that sometimes I will sit down they look say where for offend these people. Sharon now get problem with Aproko self-love, you know, that woman where they always they lock her husband for prison. Waiting come warrant to majority of una for Europe, where una go shine kpekus for glass, where una go do this one, where una go do that one. You understand? And people will redo that thing to support family, to support the economic of the state, to support less privilege. I know how many people for this Europe where they feed the less privilege, where get orphanage home, where they try to support. Because anything will make you don't say for this Europe, you must get good mind. That's one thing when Oibo go train you. Oibo go remove that easy mind where you carry come. They will give you soft mind. Now they get me. So imagine